ang isa sa pinaka-controversial na laban ni Pacman na ikinagalit ng karamihan, Bradley versus Pacquiao 1. Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Sa video ito, pag-usapan natin ang labang Pacquiao versus Bradley 1. Pero bago natin simulan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, pasuporta naman, click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button. Palike na rin ng video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. June 9, 2012, sa MGM, Nevada, USA, naganap ang labang pinamagatang The Perfect Storm dahil sa hindi pagkakasundo ni Pacquiao at Mayweather na maglaban sana at dahil din sa hindi pagkakasundo nila ni Cotto para sa rematch ay nagresulta ito na kalabanin si Bradley na noon ay nasa light welterweight division habang si Pacquiao naman ay nasa welterweight division. Umakyat ng timbang si Bradley para matuloy ang laban na noon ay daring magazine number 8 pound for pound fighter habang si Pacquiao naman ay daring magazine number 1 pound for pound. Ang laban ay para depinsaan ni Pacquiao ang kanyang WBO welterweight belt. Dala-dala ni Bradley ang malinis na kartada na 28 wins at 12 dito ay via knockout na noon ay hindi pa masyadong kilalang boxer kumpara sa ibang nakaharap ni Manny Pacquiao. Habang si Pacquiao naman ay bit-bit ang record na 54 wins, 3 losses, 2 draws at 38 KOs. At magkasing tangkad lang din ang dalawa na nasa 5'6". Underdog si Bradley sa kanilang laban. Sa mismong laban, unang round ay batuhan ang dalawang magkalaban. Malalakas na tira ang tumatama kay Bradley pero talagang hindi magpapalogi itong si Bradley. Pumukunik ka din ng mga counter niya kay Manny.
What makes you say that, Max?
And at the moment, Bradley
Hard left hand of the fight. He's won the round just off of that. Another straight left hand.
Panalo si Pacman sa unang round ayon sa tatlong hurado. Pero sa second round ay mas naging agresibo itong si Calvo. Pero kumakounter naman si Pacquiao sa mga binabatong kamao.
Body shots by Bradley. Bradley had his left arm clamped over Pacquiao's right arm, and Robert.
the mat as this fight goes on. Because the difference so far has been Pacquiao
landing in straight left. Haven't seen Bradley try to retaliate with a straight right. There it is. And again at 8 p.m. local time or shortly thereafter. This fight.
Dalawang judge ang bumuto kay Bradley habang isa lang ang kay pambansang kamao.
he was concentrating on taking the left. Fine. There's really no way to prepare for his suddenness and his speed.
He's added timing to the arsenal. Shot by Bradley and a good one.
If Bradley
See that, those fast punches but no power.
Natapos din ang third round na panalo si Pacquiao dahil sa dami ng kamaong sinalo ni Calvo.
Bradley was 13 of 65.
Jim, let me tell you something that I've observed in this fight. And that
At sa fourth round ay ilang beses naalog itong si Bradley na akala ng karamihan ay tapos na ang laban. Wala nang magawa kundi dumipensa na lang.
Sometimes get there first.
Manny's trying to uppercut. So the last two rounds, he's trying to predict the way that Bradley's head is and trying to catch him with a left
And he's
hook.
predicting it pretty well right now.
keep Manny off.
Bradley's trying to fight back.
Well, that's
For a
Bradley.
moment when it may
Big
not
right hand.
Fifth round ay patuloy ang bakbakan pero mas tumatama si Bradley sa kaniyang mga counter.
And the left hand moves Bradley halfway across the ring. Manny Pacquiao loves this kind of fight. This is exactly what
Bradley
he
does too. Bradley gets that.
Sixth round ay patuloy na pinaulanan ni Pacquiao si Bradley habang kino-corner at si Bradley naman ay depensa na lang ang ginagawa.
Expected.
Manny Slim, late flurries in several rounds were critical. Pacquiao tracking another left hand. Bell, guys. Bell.
Seventh round ay nakabawi naman itong si Bradley. Nahihirapang makatama ng solido si Manny Pacquiao habang si Bradley naman ay gumagamit ng double jab na epektibong tumatama kay Pacquiao dahil sa hindi ito makakounter ng maganda.
His power simple, so you can knock him all you want until he touches you. When he touches you, that's when you learn how special he is.
I mean, here's Bradley.
Well, this
still
is what Bradley from trying. He's a very committed person. And Pacquiao seems to be bleeding in the mouth and may have a cut tongue. So we'll see if that becomes a factor as the fight goes on.
At sa mga huling minuto pa ay napaatras pa itong si Manny sa ring.
For Bradley.
Sa 8th round ay pabor pa rin ang dalawang judge kay Bradley. Naiiwasan niya ang mga counter ni Pacquiao.
Not sustained too much.
Bradley landed a right hand. But Bradley did almost nothing to take advantage of it.
9th round ay napaatras na naman itong si Bradley dahil sa agresibong galaw ni Manny. Tinatamaan din siya ng mga solido ni Pacquiao pero dalawang judge lang ang pumabor kay Manny.
That left hand landed Pacquiao. Two more punches landing on.
It's the power.
It does damage. That's exactly right.
It's the power.
Not good enough.
And lose every round, which by my eyes is the case so far. Him as the fighter.
10th round, maganda pa rin ang palitan. Tinatamaan si Bradley at nakakatama din ng solido sa ulo ni Manny. Pero pumabor ang tatlong judge kay Bradley.
Supposedly he's compromised by his
Right, Emmanuel? There's
Yeah.
always something. A foot, a hand.
his pattern throughout the fight. And now at the end, land one more big shot.
Round 11 at 12 ay patuloy ang bakbakan ng dalawa. Napahiyaw ang mga fans ni Bradley nang mapatras si Manny Pacquiao sa ring. Pero bumawi naman itong si Pacquiao at napahiyaw din ang mga fans niya.
Let it be shaved.
Yeah.
Right hook by Pacquiao. Left hand. Bradley, the moment decides his best defense is a good off. Several hard power shots. And with only one round to go. Avoiding it.
But I still think he punches good.
This is Bradley primed for the moment.
But some guys are just born that way. I call it heavy-handed. Just
Every generation.
Sobrang dikit ang naging laban na nagresulta ng napaka-controversial na split decision pabor kay Bradley.
To the winner by split decision, and new WBO welterweight champion of the world.
Dalawang judge ay pabor kay Bradley sa score na 115 to 113 habang isa lang ang kay Manny sa score na 113 to 115. Unang talo ito ni Pacquiao sa loob ng 7 taon at ito rin ang pinakamalaking kita ni Bradley sa kanyang karera na tumanggap ng 5 milyon.
I don't think we're blind. I think Harold Letterman is the best scorer alive, and I think that is a terrible, bogus decision.
Maraming boxing fans ang nagalit at umalma sa naging resulta. Sa isang press conference ay may isang reporter pa na sa sobrang pagkadismaya ay inakusahan niya si Bob Arum na siya umano ang nag-fix ng laban para matalo si Pacman. Matapos ang laban, sa interview ay ito ang sinabi ni Calvo, "I thought I won the fight." Dagdag pa niya, "I didn't think he was as good as everyone says he was. I did not feel his power." Habang si Manny Pacquiao naman ay nashock sa resulta, sabi pa niya, "I did my best. I guess my best wasn't good enough. He never hurt me with his punches. Most of them landed on my arms." Eddie Atlas, isang veteranong boxer trainer at commentator, ay nagsabi na si Pacquiao daw ang klarong nanalo at ang nangyaring ito ay dalawa lang daw ang rason, incompetence ng mga judge or corruption sa boxing. Sabi pa ng boxing champion na si Oscar De La Hoya ay tinanggihan daw dapat ni Bradley ang title belt dahil si Pacquiao naman daw ang klarong nanalo. Sa ginawang unofficial judging ng 55 na grupo ay 52 ang pumabor kay Manny habang 3 lang kay Bradley. Sa review din ng WBO committee ay lahat ng 4 na nag-review ay pabor kay Manny.
I have never been more shocked and in this case saddened by the outcome of a sports event than I was by that one. I had it 119 to 109 Pacquiao.
The quote from Arum, "No one wants to come to a Bradley rematch because most fight watchers considered Pacquiao's effort a one-sided victory."
Dahil dito, nagpahayag ng pag-welcome si Bradley ng rematch sa laban nila. April 12, 2014 ang rematch ng dalawa at dito nabawi ni Pacquiao ang pinahiram niyang titulo kay Calvo via unanimous decision at namansahan ang kartada ni Bradley. April 9, 2016 naman ang pangatlong paghaharap nila. Panalo pa rin si Pacquiao via unanimous decision at sa pagkakataong ito ay 2 beses tinumba ni Manny si Bradley. Salamat sa panonood mga pre. As always, amping permi.